Welcome to Section 6, Managing Data Collection and Transfer with Flume. In this section, we are going to talk about what is Flume, Flume architecture, preparing the Flume for fetching the data, verifying the data in HDFS. So, let's start with what is Flume, right? So in this section, we are going to talk about what exactly Flume is and we'll understand what is the need of Flume. Apache Flume is distributed, reliable, and offers services for collecting, moving massive amounts of log data. It can move the data with efficiency, assembling, aggregating all together at once. Now, you must be wondering why Apache Flume is different from Scoop. Now, what Scoop does is can actually transfer the data from any RDBMS to HDFS and HDFS to RDBMS. The kind of data Scoop can transfer is only from RDBMS and not any other source. However, Flume can be used to transfer the data from any source to HDFS location. Now, what's the point of transferring the data from any other source to HDFS? Now, in real-time scenarios, you will have a lot of files which you want to study. For example, log files, sys files, Unix files, transaction logs. There are various small files which can be transferred from any server to HDFS location. Now, if you want to study them together, right, what Flume can do for you is aggregate them and push them into HDFS. As we already know that Hadoop is not suitable for small files large in number. However, it is suitable for big files and small in numbers. What Flume can do for you is Flume can aggregate all those smaller log files and convert them into one bigger file so that it can be analyzed in Hadoop. So, its main goal is to deliver data from applications to Apache Hadoop's HDFS. It's an easy and versatile design supported streaming information flows. It's a strong and fault tolerant with tunable responsibility mechanism and lots of failover and recovery mechanism. It uses an easy and projectile information model that is very helpful for online analytical applications. Now, we'll understand